Hey traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How you doing? Hey, today's date is Thursday, December 19th, 2024. I want to talk to you about the market a little bit. I also want to talk to you about an open house that one of our divisions is having tomorrow, BYOB day trading, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern, and he'll go till after the market closes sometime. Today, John booked $2,300 before noon. So hop in the room tomorrow, ask him what he did. He'll show you the setup, the trade pattern. He'll work with you on that, okay? Not a problem. There's no strings attached. It's totally free. I'll put the link down in the description description of this video. You can also find the login link on my social media on Facebook and X as well. So 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, December 20th, 2024. Hope to see you in that trading room. All right, now let's take a look at the market here. Now let's start with SMH, okay? SMH popped up earlier in the week, and it's given everything back. Gave everybody a lot of hope that we're going to move higher. It's just not happening. So we need SMH. We don't necessarily need them, but we need either SMH or IYT to help us get bullish if we're looking to be bullish. Now, I'm afraid we're not getting that with IYT, the transports, at all. Now, being here on the 200 period moving average, it's possible it starts putting in a little relief rally, but we need an absolute chart pattern put in before it can be a reversal. Let's take a look at the SPY here. Yesterday, the market did not like what Mr. Powell had to say at all. And today, it doesn't look like they think that it was any better. So earlier in the day, the bulls tried to bring us up here, but they just could not hold it. The bears came back in and kicked some tail, pushed those buyers back down a little bit. Below the 50 period moving average, in my mind, is not so good. Also, let's take a look at this. Price is below the T-line. T-line is below the trend indicator. That sets up a total bearish scenario for me. Bullish, it would have to be price above the T-line, T-line above the trend indicator. So right now, I'm looking for more downside at 576, possibly followed by 568 here, and even possibly followed by the dotted deuce, that red dotted line right in there. So I'd be a little careful if you're out there with some longs. It might be a good time to maybe put a watch list together for things you're looking for when there is a turnaround, and there will be a turnaround, just not going to be today, clearly, right? So build a watch list, perhaps. Be a little careful out there trading. You remember that cash is a position as well. Watch for our alerts. I'll try to get some sent out. And remember, tomorrow, totally free, BYOB day trading, 8 p.m. a.m. Eastern is when John starts in the trading room. Hey, he booked $2,300 before noon today. I think that's, like I say, log in, ask him what he did, make him show you the chart, and I'm sure he'd love to share with you, okay? All righty, we'll see you in that trading room. You guys all take care. Thank you for watching the video.